My experience was amazing. I think I've never seen any professionalism in anyone else apart from Kunal. Every member of the team has dealt with the whole event very professionally, and the Sangeet today was mind-blowing. I have thoroughly enjoyed. Thank you guys, and you guys are amazing. My God, he was like a level apart. We really loved him. I think just playing the DJ was not worth it, but because he anchored it, it was amazing, mind-blowing.
It was an amazing experience. He's someone who can bring families together. He can make people dance. Not only people who know dance, but the people who can even watch his moves and come in the mood. I think he's tremendous. He's amazing. Super punctual, easy steps, modified steps, you name it, they have it. I have no words. I think he's a brilliant anchor, and he can speak multiple languages, which is his plus point. And what he does more prominently is bring elders into the frame and be more young. And I think that very few competitors can do that. Kudos to Kunal. I love him.
Kunal is a professional. हमारी एक छोटी गलती हमने बार सुनाता था, but he is amazing. And we are total non-dancers, me and my husband. But trust me, our videos are going to come out amazing. So I'm really excited. And he's done a really good job. He's so interactive with the whole audience, not just the front rows, but he came all the way to the back. Oh, the whole hall. He covered everything. It was really nice.
He's very active. I like his vibes, how he's pulling the crowd up and making them dance and sing along. His presentation is very nice. Sense of humor also. He has sense of humor. I really liked it. This is my first visit to Mumbai, and I really liked him. I come from Dubai. I'm Jordanian living in Dubai. I've seen too many events in Dubai, but he is one of the top that I've seen so far. Thank you.
Yeah, I really liked the show. He was pulling up all the people in the audience, and he was active, cheerful, attractive, and everything. So the show was really nice. I really enjoyed it.
Very refreshing. I was very happy. In fact, I'm also a singer and an entertainer at times, but I really enjoyed the show. Very good time. He was very involved and dancing along with us all the time, so it was very nice. Especially all the dance steps and choreography, making everyone dance. Fantastic. Choreography sessions, very unique. I've been doing some new songs for the first time.
It was amazing. I think it was very interactive, and the way he conveyed a lot of messages in a very subtle way and in a friendly manner. I loved it. He was amazing, I think, and I would love to have him over in Nepal as well someday. Hopefully a wedding or something.
To be honest with you, I've never danced in my life, okay? I've never done all this. But the way you guys taught me how to dance, and my colleagues and my friends, was fantastic. I didn't see anyone making any mistake. The coordination was so perfect. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much, guys. We had the best time, and we couldn't believe it that we really did it. We were just so perfect. He's so funny, hilarious. He made the crowd, kya bolte hain wo, stand up on their feet. Even the lazy people could stand up and just dance. He made all the aunties and uncles move, played their favorite music, and it was really hilarious.
Awesome. We loved it. Awesome. Everyone was just fantastic. The anchoring was just unbelievable. I was just telling him, it's just awesome. That's all I can say.
Oh, it was very good. I've seen many anchors and MCs, but this was one MC who really led the show from when the hall was empty till the last probably minute. It could have gone on, and he's really versatile in all that he does, and very entertaining.
Hi, so my experience with Kunal was great. I think he brings the entire energy of the room up, and he's absolutely brilliant. I'm a performer, and I know what it means to be there and do what he did, and he was absolutely brilliant.
I only can say a few words. It was absolutely amazing. To say the least, this guy rocked the party. He made everyone dance. He made everyone stand up. And that is the most important part. If you can't do that, then the party's flopping. Yesterday, it was an amazing finish of the party. Thank you so much, Kunal. Thank you.
I had a wonderful experience. Actually, your team was very patient, and they catered to the needs of everyone that they were teaching. Easy difficult, they were adjusting. I think that's very good. They were giving a personalized touch to it. And I think they're very hardworking and they wanted this event to be very successful, and it was very successful. At least that's what all the guests told me. And I had a good time. So thank you so much, Kunal and team.
It was a wonderful experience. We were entertained throughout the 3 days of this lovely function, and it was like very impromptu. All the songs, all the actions, all the drama, entertainment, it was like fantastic. We really loved it, and we would really appreciate for our future all the functions. You're the best.
Well, he was really very entertaining. It was glad to get to know him better. I am a part of the Agarwal family. Neha Masi's like dearest one. So I'm sure we're gonna call him completely, definitely.
He's an amazing person. It was lovely. He made the event really successful. It's too good, I would say that.
It was very nice. We all had beautiful time, great evening. Thank you so much for giving so much effort and making everybody feel so happy. And it was very homely and nice event. Amazing party and such a host with a host who was getting along with everyone. So it was a big event with a lot of fun. बहुत मजा आया सच में.
Wow, what can I say? Kunal, you rock, man. You are the heart and soul of this evening. You've done a great job, all of them dancing as professionals. Thank God. I mean, if it wasn't for you, this would have not been the case. So I would say that you've got some magic with you. You are great yourself. You are a great comedy, you're a great talker, you're a great dancer, and you were the life of the party tonight.
It was an amazing experience. I really thank every one of you for guiding us so much and helping us throughout this entire performance and making it a great success.
And his team were like at par whatever we expected from our Sangeet to be. It was exactly on point. We rocked it, we enjoyed it. It was amazing. Everybody loved it. I'm just listening to praises and praises from everybody. Thank you so much, Kunal and his team. Thank you.